Hi children, welcome to our math class. In the previous class we learned about exercise 5.5 in the A bit and B bit. Completed. Okay, today C bit. Find the quotient. See in the first problem 440 divided by 4. See in this problem divisor is 4, dividend is the 440. So divisor, dividend. Here divisor is 4. So now write like this. Here 4 table. Side write. 4 0 0, 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 4 16, 4 5 20, 4 6 24, 4 7 28, 4 8 32, 4 9 36, 4 10 40. See Nana, here given 3 digit number. But you now take only 1 digit. Okay, that is the first digit. First digit here 4. So here 4. Find out in this table. 1 time 4 is the 4. So 1 time 4 is the 4. 4 1 is 4. Now already know. Next step is the subtraction. So now I write here the subtraction symbol. 4 minus 4 is the 0. Next one. Say the second digit into down, that is the 4. Here also 4. So 1 time 4 is the 4. So 4 ones are 4. Here also subtraction 4 minus 4 is the 0. The third digit is the 0. That is the into down 0. 4 zeros are. How many times? 0 times 4 is the 0. So here 4 zeros are 0. Okay children? The quotient is the quotient is 110. This is the first problem. Second one problem, see Nana, 810 divided by 9. In this problem, divisor is the 9, dividend is the 810. Okay, it's the 9. So write here 9 table, 9 0 0 0, 9 1 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 27, 9 4 36. 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7 are 63, 9 8 are 72, 9 9 are 81, 9 10 are 90. Okay? See Nana, here now take 2 digits. But here given 3 digit number, but here so take 1 digit. Here 8, this is the 9. Below 8 is the below 9. So don't take 2 digit numbers. Now take 2 digits. That is the 81. 81 find out in this table. 9 nines are 81. 9 times 9 is the 81. So 9 nines are 81. Subtraction. 81 minus 81 is the 0. The third digit bring to down 0. How many times can 0 nines are 9 zeros are 9. So 0 times 9 is the 0. 9 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. So quotient is 90. Quotient is 90. This is the second one problem. Third one problem. 306 divided by 9. The divisor is the 9. 306 is the dividend. Okay. Now find out the quotient. So 9 table right here. 9 zeros are 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 21, 10s are 90. See Nana. Now take 2 digits. That is the first 2 digit here 30. The nearest to 30 is the find out in this table. 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 3 is 36. 30 is greater than 27. The 30 is less than 27. So below now take below number. That is the 27. 9 3 are 27. 3 times 9 is the 27. So now do the subtraction. here. How many times? 9. 4 times. 4 times 9 is the 36. So 9 fours are 36. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 36 minus 36 is the 0. How much the quotient is? 34. So now write here quotient. Quotient is 34. Okay. Next to fourth problem, your homework fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh also. That is the divisor is the 3. So that is the 3 table. I will explain next. Eighth and ninth. Eighth problem and ninth problem. Okay. Eighth problem. 248 divided by 8. Ninth problem is the 104 divided by 8. Tenth problem is the 846 divided by 6. Okay. Here divisor is the 8. 248. The divisor is the 8. So now write 8 table. 8 0 0 0, 8 1 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24, 8 4 32, 8 5 40, 8 6 48, 8 7 56, 8 8 64, 8 9 72, 8 10 80. See Nana, now take 2 digits. That is the first 2 digit is the 24. 24 find out in this table. 24. How many times? 24. 8. 3 times 8 is the 24. 3 times 8 is the 24. So 8 3 is the 24. Okay. Now do the subtraction. 24 minus 24 is the 0. This digit bring to down. 1 time 8 is the 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 minus 8 is the 0. Next, ninth problem. Divisor here also 8. 104. Here write 8 zeros are 8 ones are 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 7s are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Okay. Here also now take 2 digits. That is the first 2 digit is the 10. The nearest to 10 find out here 8. 1 time 8 is the 8. So here 8. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is the 2. Okay. This third digit bring to down. That is the 4. Here 24. 24 find out in this table here. How many times 8? 24. 3 times 8 is the 24. That is the 8 threes are 24. So 8 threes are 24. Now do the subtraction. 24 minus 24 is the 0. Okay. Your quotient is the 13. How much the quotient here? 13. Okay. Next is 10th problem. See Nana, 846 divided by 6. Here divisor is the 6. Dividend is the 846. So now write 846. Okay. Here write 6 table. 6 zeros are 0. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Okay. Just see Nana. You're taking only one digit. Here, but take 2 digits. That is the 84. But here 6 tens are 60. So now that's why only one digit. That is the first digit. Okay. The nearest 8 is the 6. 1 times 6 is the 6. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 6 is the 2. Next digit bring to down. That is the 4. Okay. 24. Find out in this table. 4 times 6 is the 24. 6 fours are 24. Okay, now do the subtraction. 24 minus 24 is the 0. Last two, that is the third digit, bring 2 down, that is the 6. Here only 6. 1 times 6 is the 6. So now do the subtraction. 6 minus 6 is the 0. Okay. Next to 10th over 11th to 12th, 13th also, that is your homework. 14th, 15th, that is the easy problems. Okay children, I will explain next to 16th. Here divisor is the 7, dividend is the 441. So now write here 7 tables, 7 0, 7, 7 1 the 7 2 the 14, 7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49, 7 8 the 56, 7 9 the 63, 7 10 the 70. So take the 2 digits, that is the 44. The nearest 44 is here 42. The 6 times 7 is the 42. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7 is the 42. So 7 6 is 42. Okay children, now let's do the subtraction. 4 minus 2 is the 2. 4 minus 4 is the 0. Next, what is the next digit? 1. That is the bring to down 1. 21. 21 find out in this table. Here. How many times 7 is the 21? 3 times 7 is the 21. So here 7 3s are 21. Now do the subtraction. 21 minus 21 is the 0. Next, 17th problem. See Nana, your divisor is the 2. Dividend is the 248. Now write here 2 tables. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Okay, here take only one digit. Here to maybe to take 2 digits, that is a 24 here, but here 20. So that's why I take only one digit. Here 2, first digit is the 2. 1 and 2 is the 2. 2 ones are 2. Now do the subtraction. 2 minus 2 is the 0. Next digit 4. Bring 2 down. Okay? 4. 4 find out in this table. 2 times 2 is the 4. 2 twos are 4. Subtraction. 4 minus 4 is the 0. The last digit, that is the third digit, 8. Okay? 8 find out here. 4 times 2 is the 8. That means 2 fours are 8. Now do the subtraction. 8 minus 8 is the 0. Here quotient is the 124. Okay children. Next 18th, 19th, that is your remaining problems are, that is your homework. Okay children, write in your notes and practice well. Okay, bye.